Okay, let me start then from the beginning itself. Uh, Online surfing. Before that, what is the definition of internet? So, who will say what is the definition of internet? Anyone, raise your hand. You can raise your hand too, isn't it? No one raised the hand. You don't find raise the hand. Touch the screen, and at the bottom you can find more, and from there I think you can raise your hand. And once you raise your hand, I'll get the notification who had raised them, and no one yet. कोई नहीं बताएगा what is internet? बताओ बताओ. अरे मैं हाथ नहीं उठा रहा है, ऐसे करके नहीं होता है. नहीं मिला. I am also not able to see if there is any option, because my option and your option in the video may be different. So no one raised the hand, neither one anyone want to speak. There are only 16 students in the class. Only 16. No way. It's not a problem at all. I'll find out who all are missing and who are not attending the classes properly. So let's continue. What is internet? Internet is the network of millions of computers that is spread all over the world. Internet is the uh, network or the millions of computers, those are connected to each other all over the world. We say it the internet. Now, why should we use internet? Why should we use internet? Obviously, many of you, why to say many of you, all of you are very aware that you cannot perform almost anything without the internet, isn't it? Without the internet, you may not be able to perform anything, isn't it? So that's why we use internet. There are a lot of variety of services those are available on internet. Because of that reason, we use internet. Okay. Now comes what are the things we can do on internet, or what are the services those are available on internet? Internet said the first one on internet is email. Now, email, what is email? Sending messages. Can, can all of you listen me clearly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The sound is
Yes,
very
sir.
clear.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now, what is the email? Email is sending messages. Sending messages means in the form of letters or reports or files, anything that we want to send someone some messages. But it is not necessary that message must be delivered instantly and we get the response instantly. It may be delayed somehow. So that for that reason we use email. To send an email, one must have a proper email ID. Means everyone who wants to receive or share screen, receive or send messages, they must have an email ID. Now, how the email ID looks like, I think you can see the whiteboard now. So, email ID looks like, just for example, it may be like, mm, like this. Now, what is this? The first part you can see, this part. This is the unique ID. this is the unique ID. Unique ID means what? A person who on the internet at abc.com, this is the domain name, at abc.com, the person at abc.com is recognized as last million for you. So this is an email, example of email. This is sign the A at the rate, you can observe at the rate. This differentiates between the person and the domain, means the internet or the website at which you had created the email ID. So this way we can understand that this is our email address. It must have an @ symbol. Yeah. Do anybody have any doubt in this? If you have any doubt, you can instantly raise your hand, or you can. I have not muted you, so you can always ask your doubt. समझ में आया? email ID में जो हिस्सा Now, how can we send email? To send an email, let me share my screen with you, and I'll show you how to share send email. See here. To send an email, you have to click on the compose. See here. You can see the finger, and you have to click on compose. So once you click on compose, you get this small box over here. In this, we have to type in the name of the person to whom we want to send the email, to whom we want. Suppose I want to send the email to there is a problem over here. Code is not coming up. Okay, fine. Whatever it is. Yeah. Now you can see we are sending an email to whatever the name is, dasmilan@gmail.com. Now here is the subject line. Now subject line say we can write whatever we want. Then the other section. Here we have to write in the email. This is the problem with the typing. I am not using the keyboard right now. So this way we just type in the message. I'm trying to write. You can type in the message. My keyboard is not with me. Now you can send it. Here the options are available. Yeah. Here you can see the send option. See the send option over here. Now you can click on send. Once you click on send, it will click on. Okay, this way. जानबूझ के गलती कर रहे हैं, टेंशन नहीं लेने की. तो लग गया तो अपना ईमेल भी चेक कर लिया. Okay, fine. Now I'm coming back and going to stop the share. तो ईमेल कैसे भेजते हैं और ईमेल एड्रेस कैसे होती है? बोथ द थिंग्स आर क्लियर नाउ। क्या किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है? जल्दी से पूछो। है? आर यू पीपल आर देयर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but you are not responding. You are not responding, my dear. You have to respond fast, isn't it? कोई डाउट नहीं ना है किसी को?
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, next service that we can find on internet is online chatting. Chatting, chatting means sending, talking to each other. But when we talk about the chatting, that actually means talking to a person through text messages, not audios. ऑडियो के थ्रू नहीं बात करते, हम लोग टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस के थ्रू जब बातचीत करते हैं, देन वी से इट इज चैटिंग. Now, chatting, for chatting, there are various types of softwares available on the internet, and uh, almost all the websites those provide you the facility of email. They provide you the facility of chatting. For example, the Google Gmail, it gives you Hangout. Then you are very aware of WhatsApp nowadays. WhatsApp is actually a chatting software. But in WhatsApp, you do not need any email IDs to be created. Similarly, for Microsoft or Outlook, they have a chat software. Then uh, many others are there. The examples are there, like Hangout is there from Google. Now the third one is video conferencing. Now what is video conferencing is talking to a person face to face, as we are doing right now. We are right now doing that particular thing. We are on a video conference. I'm talking to a number of persons. Although none of you had opened your video, but you can still open up your videos. Yeah, I can see Vikas Vaibhav had opened the video. Shreyas open the video. Yeah, yes, I show you for you. So you can always understand what is a video chat is. So you can always open a video and we can talk face to face. This is video conferencing. Yeah, you can keep your videos on, no problem. You can keep your videos on, but just a few more MB or more data will be consumed. Okay, now the fourth one, that is e-learning. What is e-learning? E-learning we can refer to as learning over internet. Learning over internet. Now, how can we learn over internet? We can learn in a various ways. Not only the uh, online class, what is been going on in last 2 years or 1.5 years, what we are habituated to. This is not just a e-learning, I can say, or it is not just e-learning, actually e-learning. One of the form of e-learning, that's true. One of the form of e-learning. But when we talk about e-learning, in that case, the certificates, the degrees, the classes, the examinations, everything goes online. You need not to go to the school or institution or colleges at all. Everything is online. Means your fee will be collected online, your exam classes will be conducted online, your exams will be conducted online, your results will be declared online. There is nothing but there are certain obligations also. For example, when you go for e-learning, they have a certain validity. Means if you are doing some course from e-learning, they will have certain validity. For example, I give you a simple example. I cannot give you discuss a lot about it. I just give you an example. There is an organization named Cisco. You may have heard about it. Cisco, CISCO. Cisco, they provide online certification and diploma to computer savvy person. So they can perform Cisco Certified Network Administrator, full short form is CCNA, and that particular certificate has certain validity, 4 years. After 4 years, if you are means the validity of the certificate expires. Means you cannot use that certificate anymore to get a job, or you cannot say that okay, I am still a soft network administrator. Similarly, there are a few more, like Microsoft also provides you the certification courses, say MCSE, Microsoft Certified Software Engineer. So there are certain more can be discussed. Oracle also provides you online certification. So those we can see e-learning. Besides that, even besides that, when you go and search for some information from the internet, what you are actually doing, you are trying to learn. You are learning. That also is a part of e-learning. Yeah. Next, internet free calls. On internet, we can call free of cost. There are many softwares. Those softwares on the website those provide you free of cost internet calling service. Now, when we talk about free of cost calling service, you have a simple example of WhatsApp. WhatsApp, that's a very simple example, I'll say. Because on WhatsApp, you can text the messages. Also, you can call a person, even to their phone numbers. Then you may have heard about Line app. Line app also provides you the facility to call people. We can use international calls without using much cost. Almost free of cost, only the internet charges are applicable. Internet data charges, which is being exhausted, but those are applicable. Yes, we can call them free of cost using. And there are many more examples are shown in your book. I can see Skype, that is a service provided by Microsoft Corporation. Then you can see Viber, V-I-V-E-R, Viber, Sling, Tango, then Riptail, then Hangout. These are the examples of internet free calls. These websites provide you internet free calls. Next, we have to talk about e-group. Now, what are e-group? E-group is a group of people on internet those share common interest. They have common kind of interest. Means they work on the same software, or they work on the same subject, or they want to learn the same subject, and they need to talk to each other or to discuss different. So, yeah, Anirudh Gupta, having problems? Anirudh?
No, sir.
Yeah, you are putting on and off your microphone. I'm asking you. Now, let us talk about the e-groups. What are e-groups? E-groups is electronic group, a virtual meeting place. A number of people meet there. They may be uh, they may be uh, having a common interest. They all have the and they are formed in different groups. छोटे छोटे ग्रुप में डिवाइड होकर के ये लोग कॉमन इंटरेस्ट को शेयर करता है. They can chat, they can use video conferencing, they can use emails, they can call this among themselves. So those people we say e-group. Social networking. I don't think we need to discuss about it. All of you are uh, who is this? Prince Kumar, and you are saying hi to Komal. So I'll be kicking you out in the next class. Where is that Prince Kumar? Yeah. Prince Kumar, you want to clarify what you had did? No. So I'll remove this fellow. Left. Okay, now uh, social networking. We don't want to know about the social networking anymore. We all are very, very familiar with the social networking. The Facebook, the Twitter, the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a network for what do you say, the professionals. Means the persons those are attached with the same profession, they create a group. They belong to a group and they make one single group and um, get in touch with each other. And sometimes they even talk about their professions. They want to switch companies. They can do a lot of things. Means we basically form groups, social groups, to communicate between each other. Even in those groups, we have persons that we had never met, we had never seen them, but we are somehow related over the internet. Okay. Next is internet TV. Nowadays, the smart people, they had left viewing TV or paying a huge cost for TV because the TV has gone completely online. All the TV channels, they are available on the internet. They can be viewed. You see certain kind of softwares available, apps available, or they may have what else? You can even see them through the website. Like example, Sony Live. You are aware of that Sony Live. You can see all the Sony channels or through the Sony Live, even live. Then, what is the advantage of IPTV or internet TV is we can even see the episodes those we had missed due to any reason. We may have a lot of work in our daily life, and at a particular time, the particular shows comes when we would not be able to see see the episode. So through the internet TV, we can catch up. We can catch up the previous episode. Nowadays, you people are very aware of those TV channels, means episodes. Say you had already had seen or observed that Money Heist, then Game of Thrones. So these TV show episodes we can view and we can catch it up at any moment. It is not necessary that you have to spend or sit in front of that TV at a particular time and wait or leave all your work, important work. Nowadays, you can watch TV at any time. So IPTV is in a trend now. Next is internet radio. That's a very simple thing. I'm just sharing you the screen again and show you how we can actually use internet radio. Just yeah, uh, share screen. I'm sharing the audio also so that you can listen now. are at review. But it is disconnected. Now let me switch on to some other place. Syria, Kolkata.
আমি সেদিন থেকে জেতাবাজি হেরেছি।
Ready? Now
সত্যি
let us
সত্যি
switch to some other place.
का तुमच्या भेटीला येणार.
Pune. Alandi.
Zeno Plus
This is Pune.
मतवारे मत भरे दो
Now it is Germany.
गजरारी मतवारे मत भरे दो अखियाँ।
जिंदा सको मरहंदी जंहिंजी ज़ुबान ज़िंदा
This is an
अचो त हिक
example
ॿिए
of
सां
Germany.
सिंधीअ में ॻाल्हायूं
Isn't that very
ऐं
simple?
पंहिंजी
If you
सुञाणप
want to
कायम रखूं।
listen to some
Sindhi
other part
आया,
of the
Sindhi
country,
आया।
say you want to go and some music from northern, where is this is Africa, and this is South America. See. Part of the world. Okay. Yeah. Do anyone have any doubt in this? How we can listen to internet radio? If anyone wants to ask any question. No?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's continue. Advantages and disadvantages of internet. First of all, let us talk about the advantages of internet. First, in advantages, number one, powerful search engine like Google, Yahoo, etc. On internet, we have a very powerful search engine, very powerful. And although the names we have given is Google and Yahoo, these are not the number one, but one of the best. Obviously, they are the best, one of the best. They provide you, or if you search for any kind of information on their website, you can easily get that. Any kind of information, anything you want to search. Why you have the stomach pain today? If you even search that, you'll get some answer of that. उसका भी जवाब मिल जाएगा. तुमको आज पेट दर्द क्यों है? आज कोरोना का क्या कंडीशन है in India? How many people are being detected positive today? You can find that. But whereas sometimes it is not very easy to find all that information over telephone or over the TV, but we can find it through the internet. Next, number two, people can connect with each other in easy and inexpensive way. People can connect to each other in easy and inexpensive way. Very simply, look at the WhatsApp nowadays. WhatsApp, after being WhatsApp in force, and nowadays we hardly talk. We hardly spend money over talking or calling a person through mobile phone. With whatever we want, send a message through the WhatsApp, or we can even call through the WhatsApp. Number three, a handful of online services that enable people to carry out their tasks while sitting at home, such as e-banking, e-reservation, e-shopping. We all do that. We all do that. We sit at home and we have to transfer money from my account to someone's account. No problem. Okay, Papa, I'll do that. Open my mobile phone. Then ask, Father, did you got the money? Yeah, confirmed. Then talk about reservation. I have to travel to some place through train or plane. I need not to go to the railway station or the airport to book the ticket anymore. There are many websites provide you those facilities nowadays. At least uh, IRCTC is there, isn't it? Then shopping, e-shopping. All of you know about it. The Amazon, the Flipkart, and others. Then comes the last one is the internet provides the facility to share information with many users simultaneously in an easy manner. We can share the information over internet to a number of people very easily without any cost, almost without any cost. किसी को कोई फोटो भेजना है, अपने भैया का शादी का फोटो मौसी जी को भेजना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, फोटो खींचो व्हाट्सएप में भेज दो, पहुंच जाए. That's very simple. Disadvantages: sharing information over internet is not fully secured. The disadvantage: sharing the information is easy, sharing the information is very simple, but sharing the information over internet is not always secure. Means anyone who have an access, unauthorized access, or if you have some viruses or malwares or spywares in your system, the important information is always vulnerable. They may be stolen. They may be stolen. Your computer may be hacked, or your important information may be used in a different way, undesirable way. So there are certain drawbacks, but due to these drawbacks, we cannot say that there is hazard or there is cheating or there is some other kind of crimes over internet frequently happening. No, not at all. Computers connected through internet are prone to virus attacks. That's true. That's very true. If you have an internet connection and your computer is connected to the internet, then you are exposed and you can always have the virus attack. There is always a chance of virus attack. Because on internet, our mobile, our computers, they are connected to millions of computers, and there are a lot of people, those are hackers and other cyber criminal people. They can hack your computer and you can get the viruses very easily. Number 3, hackers attack computers. बार बार तो यही बताया जा रहा है, hackers attack computers on a network for monetary gain. Number 4, cybercrimes such as child abuse, forgery, phishing, farming, etc. Child abuse means using the children for promoting some illegal thing, for doing some illegal thing over internet. That we can say child abuse. Then forgery, cheating. Cheating होती है. Someone has called you and asked you or emailed you, you had won this, and there is always some monetary losses involved in this activity. Phishing. Phishing is once again the kind of thing that you are being given, what do you say, some kind of greed is being produced in you, and then you are being forced to face monetary losses. Then farming, etc. Potential threats while using internet. आज और नहीं करते हैं क्या? What do you say? Should we continue more?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
It
sir.
is already already 3:40 and we added did some 3 pages. 3 पेज हम लोग पढ़ लिए हैं, 3:40 हो गया। अब बताओ 40 मिनट हम लोग पढ़ लिए आज नहीं, ठीक है। देयर इज लॉन्ग लाइन ऑफ पोटेंशियल थ्रेट, ये यहाँ तक तो हम लोग क्लास में भी किए थे, मतलब एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस किए थे और 2-4 तो पोटेंशियल थ्रेट किए थे। आई थिंक अप टू ट्रोजन तो हम लोग किए थे, ट्रोजन तक किए थे। देखते हैं, नॉट टुडे, we will continue it the next day, means day after tomorrow again. And please,
Okay.
those who are not yet set your profile picture, and if you have any friend who is complaining that your profile he's not being accepted or removed, so ask them to set the profile picture in full uniform and the face clearly visible. Until the face clearly visible, we will not accept anyone. I think there are a number of people are waiting outside, 6, 7, 8 are there. 8-9 जन बाहर इंतजार कर रहा है, अप्लाई किया हुआ है मगर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर नहीं है। उन लोगों को बोल देना प्रोफाइल पिक्चर डालने, जो भी मतलब एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ हो, है ना। ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे, सी यू डे आफ्टर टुमारो।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye
sir.
Yes.